running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, everyone. How are you all doing today? We are seeing this crash in the market. What is going on here? What is going on here? Is Bitcoin gonna lead the market to the bottom? Look at this dominant. Well, yeah. I mean, when the market is tumbling, is dumping, Bitcoin dominance is always gonna go up because Bitcoin is the alpha. We're gonna see Bitcoin dump like those low cap coins out there. But it's good to see what has really happened here. I would say that Bitcoin has failed to break structure to the upside, and that's why we are gonna see weekend reversal. This was inevitable. This was gonna happen anyways. If you are in crypto for some time now, then you know that stuff like this happens. We're gonna always gonna see, price retrace back, price dump, give opportunities for investors to buy again at a cheaper price. So what happened or what is happening right now? I think it's normal, but this time around we are seeing huge dump with other altcoins. Like Bitcoin is down only 2.3%. Yeah, that's only 2.3%. And if you understand what is going on here, it's just market makers are following or are favoring where there is liquidity in the market. Because see these vectors, yeah, they had to go and recover these vectors. Remember what I always say: when you see vector candles like this when price is going up, it means that the market makers they are building short, right? They're gonna come and recover this short, because they have to bring price down to fill orders, and also at the same time take profit and start building new orders to the upside. So it's not it's not something strange to see this huge dip like this, and I think the dip is not yet over. We're gonna see maybe during this weekend the dip go right down to 66,000. I think 66,500. That's the area where I'm looking at. But if I zoom out, I go to like the 4 hours time frame. We can see clearly what's going on here. You can see clearly on the 4 hours time frame. There's lots of liquidity here. That price hasn't like orders. Should I say orders? Yeah, liquidity here, and price hasn't been able to break and make higher highs. So price is just ranging as usual. If say I bring in the volume profile here, it can confirm to us what price is doing. So let me bring in the volume profile, take it from here to where price is right now, or from to the top. You can see where the POC is. So we're gonna see price come right down to the POC and then to the value area low around 67,000. So we're gonna see price come to that level, no doubt. And if price is not able to hold this zone, then we can see Bitcoin come here to grab this liquidity around 60,000 or yeah, around $62,000. Yeah, we can see price go there. So if you see price doing this, it's just because the market makers, they are building short, they are building um long at the same time. They want to cash out profit, and they have to go and fill orders, others that are below. There are people who are buying. That's why they have to go right down and fill those orders down there. There are a lot of buy orders here, and same time liquidation. They're gonna liquidate so many people. Let me look at coin ank. Let's see coin ank, what's going on with coin ank. Let's see what's going on there with the liquidity. Let's look at the liquidity chart of Bitcoin liquidity heat map. Let's see where we might expect price to move towards. You can see, oh boy, look at this. So looking at the 30 days time frame, I think they have already grabbed this liquidity here. I think I mentioned this this week during my show. I mentioned this week. I thought I had different areas where they can move price to. I mentioned this zone and this zone as well. So they have grabbed this liquidity here, and I think the next thing they want to do is gonna push price back to the upside. Now let's look at the weekly time frame. So for the next 1 week or the next 7 days, what might happen with Bitcoin? Let's see where there is like huge liquidity. Okay, we might see Bitcoin go to $74,000. Wow. Yeah, I know most of you are like, oh, prices here and Bitcoin can go to $74,000. Yeah, this is it. This is what I'm seeing on the liquidity heat map. And or we can see Bitcoin go right down to 66,500. 66,650. So this is the scenario. They can push the price right down to 66,000, 650, and this correspond to what I showed you guys on the chart. So they can bring price right down to, yeah, 66,000. Yeah, so it's around this range here. And this is exactly where the value area low and where the POC is. So we should expect price to go there, or maybe price can just hold from where price is, and then price continue moving back to the upside. But I'm looking at this liquidity here. There's liquidity here that they haven't recovered, which is scary. They can drive price there, and the my issue when Bitcoin is going to grab this liquidity is with altcoins. Altcoins out there, they are gonna dump like like crazy. So that's why usually when I see Bitcoin doing this, I'm always skeptical to see what will happen with some altcoins out there to give us opportunity to buy these altcoins. It's always good for us to have opportunity to buy altcoins. If see we don't have opportunity to buy altcoins, then maybe we are just gonna be yeah, doing nothing. So altcoins is always gonna give us an opportunity to make more money in the space. So let's now look at other coins. There's so much opportunities already. But before we even look at other coins, I want us to look at something here. The DXY. Let's see what is happening. Okay, wow. See the US dollar, pump. Okay, now we are seeing it. I don't know why the US dollar pump, but you look at this on the 4 hours time frame. Look at this pump. You know, the US dollar has been down, going down, 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 and crypto has been doing good, 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 good. So maybe it's time for the US dollar to dominate, and then Bitcoin, is gonna go down. But this pump like this, is not sustainable pump. I think maybe we can see it continue, but this is on the 4 hours time frame, or maybe we want to see some sort of pullback, recover some of this liquidity before moving back to the upside. But you can see, yeah, the US dollar is getting back on board, and maybe who knows, it can pump right up to, let's see what is here on the daily time frame. Okay, you can see here the US dollar has been in an uptrend. You can see clearly here. So if you see a spike like that in the market, then of course, Bitcoin is always gonna move alongside with it. So you can see clearly, this is actually one of the reasons why happening is happening with Bitcoin and crypto. And if say we move further to the USDT dominance, you can see USDT also is in an uptrend looking at the daily time frame. But if you look at 4 hours, you're gonna see huge spike, and this is to tell you that investors are favoring, USDT right now. They are, leaving, um, most cryptos out there, they are taking out profits and getting into USDT, buying US dollar. That's why you see this is the US dollar or USDT is pumping. You can see also the S&P is not doing well. Look at this DPF for the S&P. Look at the 1 hour time frame. You're gonna see the DPF for the S&P, and it's almost similar to what is going on with Bitcoin. So the S&P actually, or Bitcoin, is following what the S&P 500 is doing. So guys, all of this is is important. If say you're investing in any coin in the market, you need to understand what catalyst you need to see out there to help you know what is going to go on in the market or what is happening in the market. So when you look at this catalyst, you can best know how long it might last. You're going to see if say the market is about to recover, and it's going to help you stay away from most altcoins, or maybe know when to start buying most of those altcoins back when it's cheaper or when Bitcoin is about to recover. Now, if we look at the total, let's look at. I want to look at total. Let's see total three. Yeah. So total three took a huge dip. Now, total three are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we are looking at, if you look at this on the lower time frame, like 1 hour, you're like, oh, look at this dip. But usually I love to look at it on the higher time frame so that I see the bigger picture here. And if I look at it on the higher time frame, nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. What happened is that price went towards this zone here. There's this area. Let me draw this. I think this is double top. Yeah, double top. And whenever there is double top, we're gonna see huge price action. To the opposite direction, and it's the same to double bottom. If you see double bottom, price usually pump, and when we see double top, you know the same thing is going to happen with price. So this is something I want us to discuss, and I want you guys to stay calm. Nothing is actually going to happen. It's just normal. See the buyback, price is above this 50-day moving average, which is okay. So we just want to see price trade above the 50-day moving average on total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is awesome. I love to see this. And if we look at, I look at Bitcoin dominance already, but let me look at it on the higher time frame. We're going to see that Bitcoin dominance is respecting a trend. Yeah, whenever it touch the better moving average, it keeps it. We're gonna see reaction back to the upside, but this time around, we haven't seen any buy signal on the better moving average. We still have the sell signal. Yeah, we should see the bottom moving average print a buy signal before we can say maybe Bitcoin is going to be bullish more. But for now, I think we're going to see more downward movement for Bitcoin, and let's see what Ethereum is doing. It was inevitable for Ethereum to do what Ethereum is doing, and I drew this level for Ethereum. This volume profile. You can see price is a respected structure. Ethereum is trading in this range, and I don't know what is going on yet, but it's not healthy because we have this liquidity here, with this green vector candles here, that the market makers can push price and recover this vector. So we can see Ethereum price go right down to $3,000. But this is gonna be based on this is gonna be on like worst case scenario, right? So let's see if say that's the case. Let's see the halfway of this candle. Where it is, let's see the halfway of this candle is gonna be here, so they can push price to this level here. So we can see a huge dip here, and they recover half of this vector candles, then maybe they can keep on pushing price to the upside. Right, so Lana also took a huge hit. That's just over 4%. When you look at this um huge cap, they don't just fall like that as other caps out there. Like BNB just fell 30%. You can see it just 30%. Quant, fell drastically, but look at the buyback for Quant. It's impressive. Actually, I'm holding Quant, but the dip here was really cool. I think Quant now has showed me that it wants to be above $90, but I was having a trade on Quant and I got liquidated, you know, from that trade. Well, I got stopped out, not liquidated. I got stopped out. Yeah, it's somehow liquidated. It's somehow liquidated because I was forced, but I had a good risk management, so nothing really happened. But looking at this, I'm not gonna be, 100% certain that prices will recover fully. What I want to see is for price to break this zone and trade above 72, 92 dollars for quant. So if you are holding quant, that's what you want to see. But if quant will cover right up to about, let's say, um, $90, I want to see price hold. But because of what is just happening right now, we might see price go right. Oh wow, price went right down to $75, $75 for quant. This was a huge, opportunity to buy back. But how will you know that price is gonna dump like this? No one will know. No one can know. So price has pumped 15% from that dip, which is is a good recovery for quant. And yeah, we have seen the market hits other altcoins, but OD has been doing so well. You see, OD also, you saw a huge dip to the downside, but the buyback was really fantastic. And see it, yeah. But provided that price is still above the 50-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame, and let's look at it on the 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Yeah, we look good on all this. So yeah, it's good. Price has just recovered these vectors here, which is okay. And we also have some vectors here that it hasn't recovered. This is around $49. So I think they might push price there this week, and I don't know, or somehow maybe someday. But my target is for all day is $70. I already mentioned this. I am not gonna sell all day. If they bring all day to $50, I'm gonna buy more instead. So I'm gonna be happy, buy more. But my target is where the alpha trend printed sell signal on this time frame, on the daily time frame. You can see this is my target where the alpha trend printed this sell signal. I already have a sell order there, $70. When price get there, I'm gonna cash out my profit for Audi. And if I see a dip here, I'm gonna buy more. So that's just how I look at the market, what is going on right now. I look at price action. I don't want to stress myself on things I cannot control. I want to focus on things I can control. ApeCoin also saw a huge hit to the downside. Look at this, but price is buy. We have seen investors, buyback, that eating everything you can see here. It's holding this area here. I bought some ApeCoin already, and I'm already in profit, so I'm happy to see that. ICP also, I made some profit from ICP today, and like look at this. When you look at the higher time frame, you can see clearly how price is rejecting, and price is going to go back to structure, maintaining structure. You see, ICP is just playing with price is just playing around this range with ICP. You can see it clearly. This is a range that the price is playing, and if say you understand how price moves, you can easily get this coin at a discount. Yeah. So if I bring in the volume profile here, let me see where can I do it, or how can I do this? Okay, if I bring in the volume profile here, create us a good scenario for us to actually accumulate this bad boy like crazy. So let me do this where price is right now. Which, okay, you can see this is a POC. If you want to buy ICP, you should start looking at ICP at around $12.82. This is 82 cents. So if price break and start trading above this zone, it come back and retest it. I want to see a buy signal on the alpha trend. I haven't seen it yet, but my target is gonna be at $16. That's my target for ICP. When the alpha trend print a buy signal. I can go on and on talk about many other coins here, but the reason for this quick update is just to help you guys understand what is going on. Yeah. Um. What is going on here with in the market? And if say you guys you hear background noise, is my son. This is an urgent live, it's not the usual live. So I was supposed to be with my son, family, but I had to do this video to calm the guys down, not to feel that things are going out of hand. Everything is on board. Nothing is happening like which is unusual. Don't don't get caught up. Feel free, and you're gonna enjoy what is going on in the market. So just that nothing serious is happening, guys. Trust me, nothing serious is happening here. Yeah, I'm just gonna see what I can do to. I don't know if you guys have any coin you want me to look at right now. Those of you who are watching, let me know where you are watching from. If you have any coin that you want me to look at Now is the time I can see Chair Usman when USDT rate is up. USDT is up right now. You can see I just showed you guys USDT. The rate is up right now. You can see it clearly. Let me show you now. I think right now for those who are doing P2P, if say you are trading with USDT P2P, this is the right time to make some huge gain. You can see the rate is up 4%. Right now it's up 4%, and it's gonna keep going up. I think because or maybe we're gonna see something happen in the market. But you can see my target here. When the alpha trend print a buy signal is where this sell signal is, and whenever price get to the better moving average, always come down. So I don't know how far we're gonna see US dollar like USDT drop, but I think that if say something really bad happens, which it might happen. I doubt if something bad is going to happen. You know why? Because of the Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF. Except there's going to be a big swarm event, something that is going to, put the whole world into shutdown. I mean, something like that might cause the market to really, really like. So, guys, be careful. That's why when you see your coin pump, I always say this: when your coin pump, cash out the profits, get it to Bitcoin, and wait for that coin to settle again. And I recommend you guys to actually be part of my VIP group. The link is found below this video. The reason why you want to be part of my VIP is because you get to know what I'm buying when I'm taking out profit. It's important. When you understand when to buy and when to take out profit, you're gonna always be on top of your game to make out profit. And those of you who actually really want to take your trading to the next level, then you need to take this serious. Don't just be there thinking that okay, maybe because price is doing this or price is doing that, you're gonna be there trying to wait for price to do what price is doing. Price might never come to the area where you bought it. That's why you need someone who can help you. And this is it. You can become a VIP on Patreon. Click my link tree is found below this video. Go below this video, you're gonna see my link tree, and you can join directly from this channel and still have access to it. And if you want to understand how to use Binance Exchange, how to get Binance loan to create the Binance bot, I just got some loan from Binance. Whenever I see the market dipping like that, I get loan from Binance Exchange, and I trade, with this loan. Of course, it's spot trading, but usually I have a strategy that I use it to get loans from Binance and get more USDT to buy the dip. And I have particular coins that I use to get this loan from Binance. Or maybe you want to get VPN, for your phone, for your laptop. It's important you get VPN, because guys, you can never know. There's a lot of scams out there, a lot of phishing messages. If say you go and open wrong website or wrong message, they can then phishing let's say bot to hack your phone, or hackers can use different phishing method to send viruses to take over your phone, which is something I think most people have witnessed. So having a VPN protect your money. We are here long term, and if you're here long term, this is not gonna be a problem for you. It's just $2. $2, $2.91, per month. This is gonna help you save. And if you use that link, if you use my link, you're gonna be helping this channel as well. I'm an affiliate partner with not with IP Vanish, and I have special offer for you guys. So if you use my link, get all these good stuff. But just join my Telegram group or my Discord, or book a 15-minute call with me. It's free. For 15 minutes, we can discuss on what you're doing, your ideas, your plan in the crypto space. I can look at ways that I can help you personally to be successful in this game. Guys, I have every resources out there to help you succeed. Or follow me on X, Facebook, and so on and so on. So you can go there and see everything that I have here that might help you throughout your investment journey. So let me know if you have any coin you want me to look at right now. Let me know so I can help you out. Check out the coin. If you are watching on X, let me know if you have any coin that you are looking at this point in time, so I can help you out, like do some quick analysis on it. Or if say you are not, investing in crypto yet, yeah, it's okay. You don't have to invest in crypto. Just be cool and calm. Learn more. Take Make sure you follow people who actually do the right stuff, not people who are going to be hyping on you every now and then. You need to be connected with people who can help you with knowledge, how to trade, how to analyze market, how to look at market structure, or how to stay away from scams. Just how to make sure you're able to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible. All right, guys, I think this is it. Um, let's see if I have other comments here. Not really. I don't have any other comments here. BOD market. Okay. So if you guys have any questions you want to post here, post your question and I'm gonna respond to it. But I think maybe you guys don't have any question. So I'm gonna call this a go for today. Hopefully it was helpful to you. And if it was helpful to you guys, make sure you like this content, share it with your friends, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Ciao.